In this video, I am going to go over stationary points for partial derivatives. In this example, we are asked to find the stationary points and what type of stationary points we have for the equation x squared plus y squared. And we use the rules on the side to find what type of stationary points we have. To start off with, we need to find the first order derivatives and the second order derivatives of the equation. So the first order derivative in terms of x would be differentiating the equation in terms of x. We get 2x. Then finding the first order derivative in terms of y. So we need to differentiate in terms of y. We get 2y. Then finding the second order derivative of the equation in terms of x. So differentiating fx in terms of x, we get 2. Then finding the second order derivatives of the fy equation, so differentiating with respect to y, we get 2. And then differentiating the fx equation in terms of y, so differentiating 2x in terms of y, we get 0. Now we need to find what stationary points we have, and to be able to do that, we need to set our first order derivative and with respect to x and our first order derivative with respect to y equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 0 and 2y is equal to 0. And we're able to tell that our point is going to be 0, 0, as x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Now that we found our stationary point 0, 0, we need to find what type of stationary point it is. To be able to do that, we need to solve the equation of D. The equation of D states that fxx times fyy minus fxy squared. So we just substitute our values in. So 2 times 2 minus 0 squared. That means D is equal to 4. Now that we know that our D is larger than 0, that means it's either going to be a maximum or a minimum point. But to be able to find out if it's a maximum or minimum, we need to look at our second order derivatives with respect to x and y. So our fxx is larger than 0 and fyy is larger than 0, which means that our stationary points is a minimum.